Hello, I'm George, owner of TPP Precision, and today I'm going to tell you why exposed air filters are actually very bad for your engine. By running an exposed air filter, fundamentally we have four problems. We can run less ignition in our ECU software, which means actually we limit the engine power. The air that goes towards the combustion chamber actually is less dense, so the warmer the air, the less dense it is, which ultimate means we're gonna burn less fuel. Burning less fuel means less power. Third problem, it makes the job of the intercooler harder. The delta between the inlet of the intercooler and the outlet of the intercooler more or less is gonna be the same. So if you have warmer air going towards your intercooler, of course the outlet is gonna be affected equally. And last problem is that the mixture can be pre-ignited. What that means, if you have a very warm mixture due to high intake air temperatures, we cannot actually control the combustions, and small combustions can happen before the actual ignition point, which this can damage our engine. Our solution is sealed air boxes, and we reroute the intake air path so we can change the way the intake sounds, but we have all the benefits of a cold air intake. For example, our F56 Airbox intake is designed in such a way that it's a completely sealed airbox, but we introduce a secondary air diverter, and that actually reroutes the acoustics of the intake system, and we bypass the heavily insulated engine bay. That way we have sealed airbox, so all the benefits of cold air intake plus the increased intake sound.